All right, now let's plug in the harness. So this one goes over here. Boom. Forgot what the hell all these hoses. Clips went in. This one, white one, goes over here. It goes like that. Yeah. Here we go. Click. This one gets caught in here. Let's snap that off. And these ones go. Okay, there's one over here from the, I think, alternator. This one is from air mass flow sensor, and this one is from like a coolant water pipe. Thermostat, looks like. All right, let me get the purple nurple. It's a clip. It's the stupid clip too as well. Kind of, you have to press it down, and what's bugging me is why was Volvo this retarded to put this clip upside down? Like, once you plug it in, like, it's just impossible to get it. Like, why not make it from upstairs, from up here, so you can see? Idiots at the Volvo, idiots, big time idiots. Okie dokie, we got that coming later. This one coming later. No, you're not going anywhere. Stay over here. A little lamp. Nice system. Now what I'm gonna do is gonna install this water pump. Like I said, keep in mind there's two screws, one over here and the one over here. So it's 1 and 2, and the third one is located just right there. Very difficult to get it. Make sure you don't drop it, because if you do, it's gonna go all the way down there and you're gonna be screwed. Don't ask why or how do I know. No, I did not drop it. So the way to put this pump is there's you just wiggle it out nicely. Left and right, left and right, left and right. All the way. And that's it. These are the bolts. And these are the bolts. So I'm gonna have a socket which is 10 millimeters, 10 mm. Alright, let's screw that in. There we go. Goes in nicely. Should go smoothly. Here we go. Perfect derple. Perfect. Okay, that's one. Bigger, fatter, not the same size. 1 and 2. Oh no, it didn't get in there. Why didn't you screw yourself? What's going on? Okay. It's just the location over here. Yeah. Get in there. Okay, little bit to the side. Here we go. Oh no. Why don't you wanna get in? Okay. Let's try this one. Because you definitely don't want to strip the bolts. Once again, low profile. This is a nice bit. All right. Here we go. Now we're back in business. Now we're in business. Now we are in business. Yeah. Screw it in by hand. Okay, not too tight because we need to align all of it and later on. There you go. This one goes smoothly. Stay camera. Here we go. Okay. This clip is on, this is on, this is on. I'll take care of that later. Very nice and easy. And now the best parts, the last piece of the puzzle, which is the screw on the bottom. Thank you so much, Volvo. You're much appreciated. I love what you guys did. It makes my life so much easier. Of course, I'm being sarcastic in here. Let's see if I can. Okay, I found it. I found the hole. Okay. Alright, not bad. Screw that in my hand all the way. Goes smoothly. Okie like a sound crack. I don't know. I have much respect for this guy to work on all the cars. The low profile comes in handy dandy. Fantastic tool. I don't even know what's the torque spec on that. Nothing too crazy. Because the block is aluminium. So you don't wanna snap any bolts. It's always better to remember. Always better to tighten something after it's leaking than to snap the bolt off. Alright, hand tight. I think that should get the job done. Alright, we got that. Now let's work on the thermostat. Oh, no. Okay, thermostat, same thing. 4 pieces. Make sure it's clean. Nothing in the pipe. You don't want to contaminate the coolant system. So this bitch goes like that. Okie dokie. There's a gasket. Okay, make sure it's in place, intact. This one's quite fresh. Never use that. Easy access to the thermostat. All right, same thing. 4 bolts. It's Mr. 1. Oh shit, that's 10 minutes. It's crazy. Oh, yeah, connected? No, I did not. Let me see if we got everything, all the cables. Okay, no, everything is good. I know what I forgot to do. Just plug them into the sockets, the harnesses. I mean, there's a bracket. I mean, even if I would have clipped them in, still not much problem, not much mess. There you go, this one is in, this one in. And let's do the thermostat. The thermostat's gonna be socket number, not sockets, same thing, T2. Okay. First one, do is gonna plug it in with my hand. Get out of here. Okay. One thing, you know, I tried to remove the pipe and the oil coolant pipe, but I wasn't unsuccessful because it's a stiff pipe and there's nothing you can do. You have to remove the thermostat and you have to remove the water pump, unfortunately, but that's how Volvo designed it. Thank you so much, guys. Much appreciated. I should have put this maybe earlier, because if I drop this, oh boy, it's gonna be a fucking problem. So tight. That's what she said. She or he? That's what he said. What I'm going to try to do is I've put this into the socket and I just try to align it. Okay, I'm going to say goodbye to that. From the top is fine. Okay. Okay, success, guys. I'm in. Now it's just easy. Screw it in. Your pipe stay over here, don't you move. Dandly friendly. Alright, this one can stay over here. Easy access. It's not why you have to get into my way. Alright. See you guys once I screw that